How to fix search bar on TikTok. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we will learn how we can fix if the search bar on your TikTok is not working properly. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First and foremost, ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can try to switch between your Wi-Fi or mobile data to see if that resolves your issue. If that still does not help you, you have to make sure that your application is updated. So to check that, open a Play Store in your mobile device. Head towards the search icon at the bottom right and in the search bar, search for TikTok. And if there is an update available for TikTok, you have to tap on update so that the application gets updated to its latest version. Sometimes an outdated version might be causing issue with the application functionality. Once the application is updated, go back and check whether your problem is now solved or not. If still not, you have to clear cache and data. For that, open up you have to navigate towards your application tab and hold in it. Here tap on app info. Once you land on app info page, here tap on storage and cache. Under storage, tap on clear cache. After that, you have to close these settings. Now open up TikTok and see if the search bar is working or not. If the clearing cache does not work, you have to try uninstalling the application and reinstalling back from the TikTok. After you reinstall, you have to log in back to your account and check if the issue is now solved or not. Also check for the TikTok server status. Sometimes issue with the application can be related to the server outages. So for that, you have to visit down detector through your browser and check whether the server or the TikTok server is down or not. If there is an issue on its server side, then the problem should resolve once TikTok fixes it. If that's not the case and TikTok server is working all fine, but still if the search bar is not working properly for you, now you have to contact to the TikTok support. For that, you have to open up TikTok in your device. Tap on your profile at the bottom right corner, then you have to tap on the three line at the top right. Here tap on settings and privacy. Scroll all the way down, then tap on report a problem. After that, once you are here, if you scroll down, there is an option as chat with us. Tap on it. That will help you to directly chat with TikTok help desk. Here, you can describe your issue with the search bar not working and the TikTok support team or the TikTok help desk will assist you to solve your problem. So you have to follow all of the instructions carefully. So these are some of the ways that will help you fix if the search bar is not working in the TikTok. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.